In this video, we're giving you 5 things we think you should know before buying into the Beats Fit Pro Kim Kardashian range. Big-name celebrities are always collaborating with fashion and tech brands, and this particular partnership has superstar Kim Kardashian joining forces with audio bigwig Beats to create a unique set of earbuds. They come in 3 unique colorways. They have impressive battery life. These earbuds are built on the Beats Fit Pro platform, which means all of the tech specs are the same. Thankfully, the Beats Fit Pro range offers some pretty impressive features. In terms of listening time, you're looking at around 6 hours per earbud. And with the charging case, you can boost up the battery life significantly. They feature noise canceling and transparency modes. They feature spatial audio. You may have heard the term spatial audio being thrown around a lot, but what is it exactly? Well, it allows for a more immersive listening experience, akin to that of a movie theater-style surround sound. They're made for workouts. Impressive tech specs are great, but how do they fare in an intense gym workout? So operate hands-free Siri functions via voice commands. So are you going to take the plunge and buy some Kim Kardashian Beats? If so, which of these 3 unique colorways are you going to go for? Stay tuned to Get Mojo for the most complete video product reviews.